Children, in this video I am going to explain the factorization of the algebraic expression by the method of splitting the middle term. Okay, so you can see that in this algebraic expression there are three terms. Okay, so we have to split the middle term. What is middle term here? 6x. Okay, we will split this middle term into their factors and we are going to factorize it. Okay, now in the method of splitting the middle term we have to check out the middle term is 6x. Okay, so we will split 6x in such a way, okay, in terms of two factors, such that the terms, when we add those two factors, we get the middle term as 6x, and when we multiply the same factors like a into b, we get minus 16x squared. Okay, so we have to find such two terms, like adding those two terms we will get as 6x. Okay, and when we multiply the same two terms or two factors, we will get minus 16x squared. So let's see what we can take such that the sum we'll get as 6x. So it will be like 8x and minus 2x. Why? Because when we add 8x to minus 2x, we will get as plus 6x. Isn't it? Because plus minus is minus, but the sign will be a bigger number. Then when we are going to multiply 8x and minus 2x, we are going to get minus 16x squared. Isn't it? So the two factors that we are going to take will be 8x and minus 2x. So how to write this? Because we have to split, we are splitting the middle term, so in place of the middle term we have to write those factors. So it will be 8x, okay, minus 2x, that is minus 16. Okay, now children, we have got 4 terms total now. Now we can pair them. Okay, so we will get 2 pairs. Okay, 16 can be written as 2 into 8. Okay, now in this first pair we have got 2 terms x squared plus 8x. So we can take x only as common. Why? Because we have got here 2x and here 1x. So at least 1x can be taken as common. And we are left with x plus 8. Okay, now moving to the next pair, we have got minus 2x and minus 16. Minus 16 can be written as 2 into 8. Okay, now you can see that 2 is present in the first term of the second pair, and in the second term also we have 2. So we can take minus 2 as common. Why? Because here it is also minus 2 and minus. So we can take minus sign also as common. Okay, so minus 2, and we are left with this x, and because this minus sign has been taken as common, we are left with here plus and 8. Okay, now you can see that the left out terms in both the pairs is same. Here also x plus 8, x plus 8. So x plus 8 can be taken as common, okay, out of this 2, and we are left with x minus 2. So this is the way we have to factorize by splitting the middle term. Hope you understood the explanation, and if you have got the explanation, then kindly subscribe to the channel if you have not done it yet. And thank you so very much.